Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? I hope you will all be fine. Today we will do the correct use of the verb with simple future tense. So let's start with the lesson. Yes, in making a positive sentence with future tense, we always have a construction, subject plus will plus first form of the verb. Like you can see in the example, you will buy new clothes. It means that with will, we always use the first form of the verb. If you want to make a negative sentence with future tense, then you will use will not, and the contraction of will not is won't. And with will not, we would also use the first form of the verb. If you want to make a question, if you want to make an interrogative sentence, then will come in the beginning of the sentence, then will come subject and first form of the verb. And other expression which is used instead of will, if you want to talk about the future, is going to, are going to, or am going to. Like you can see in the example, she is going to visit her brother in Canada. I am going to call her. So all these expressions with going to also express the future action. She is going to visit her brother. Is she going to visit her brother in Canada? In this way, you can make the construction with the expression going to. And the helping verbs with going to will be is, are, or am. Yes, these are three kinds of sentences: positive, negative, and interrogative sentences. And you can make them according to the construction which I have discussed with you. The children are going to have a trip. The children are not going to have a trip. Are the children going to have a trip? So in this way, you can change the construction of the sentence in order to make them positive, negative, and question. Then students, I always tell you that whenever you have this question, correct use of the verb in your paper, these signal words are very important, which are going to tell you which tense you have to use in that particular sentence. So in the case of future tense, the signal words can be I think, probably, perhaps, tomorrow, next time, coming month, later, maybe. These are all the expressions which tell that something is going to happen in the future. Yes, I have selected a few sentences over here just to have the exercise of the correct use of the verb. Try to do try to do these sentences on your own yourself, and then later you can check your answers from the answer key, which are available over here in this lecture. So you can see in all these sentences that a sense of future tense is there: tomorrow, next year. All these expressions tell you in a sentence that something would happen in the future. So you can easily use future tense in this sentence. Yes, this is the answer key to the sentences which we did in the first slide. So you can easily check your answers from this answer key. If you have any mistake, you can correct your mistake with the help of this answer key. So it is going to be very, very much helpful for you people just to have the sentences first, and then later you can check your answers from the answer key. Here we have some more sentences over here, and all these sentences you can see: tomorrow, 22nd century. What do you think? I get the job. I'll be in London tomorrow. So all these sentences all have some signal words in them, which are going to make it very easy for you people just to decide which tense you have to use in order to change the sentence. Try to do these sentences, and this is the answer key of all the sentences where you can check the answers. And it will be very easy for you people just to correct your mistakes if you have done any mistake over here. So I hope that today's lecture was very useful for you people just to attempt your questions, correct use of the verb, which is a part of your ninth metric and 11th class. So keep on revising all the tenses, because if your revision with the tenses will be complete, it will be easy for you people just to attempt this question. Okay, students, Allah Hafiz.